Hey there, today I'll be taking you over the process of creating a GIF. For illustration purposes, we have here with us Batman walking through a rain of bullets amidst some oddly colored lightning. Clearly not the smartest superhero on the block, but living with the bugs, I guess. Either way, for this, I start by making the basic figure of a standing Batman in Procreate. Then I add multiple layers with legs positioned as if they are moving in a walking fashion. I also synchronize the hands with leg movement on each layer and finally add a tad bit of movement of the ears and cape as well. No change in expression. Guess you need to be at least that dumb to choose to walk through bullets pretty much butt naked. For the finishing touches, I create and color the background. Throw in a couple of gold-plated bullets, strangely tinted lightning, and there you have it. That's the completed GIF. Hope you liked it. For more content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.